Hello everyone, welcome to the 5 of 10 days of advanced math challenges. So on this one, let's see how we can give a solution to this problem. We have to find the value of x in the root of 3 over 5 all raised to the power of 1 minus 2x is equal to 4 whole number 17 over 27. So this is the 5, and in case you miss the 4, this is the video card of the 4, so you can just click on this, then you take it to the 4. And by the end of this, I'm going to drop the video card of the playlist, so you can go and check out the playlist. So in solving this, I'm just going to square both sides. That's the first step. Or wait, let me not square both sides. I'll need to convert this to an improper fraction. So I'll have 3 over 5 all raised to the power of 1 minus 2x will multiply by 1 over 2. Because when I have a square root sign, it's the same thing as multiplying the index by 1 over 2. That one you already know. Now this is equal to, if I convert this time this is 100. 4 times 27 is 108. Then 108 plus 17 is 125 all over 27. So now this I'll have 3 over 5 all raised to the power of 1 minus 2x all over 2 is equal to, and 125 is the same thing as 5 cubed. Then 27 is the same thing as 3 cubed, which is 5 over 3 all raised to the power of 3. So now I'm getting something like this: 3 over 5 raised to the power of 1 minus 2x all over 2 is equal to 5 over 3 raised to the power of 3. So as you can see here, my aim is to make the two of them to have the same base, but now you can see that the two of them are different. This is 3 over 5, this is 5 over 3. How can I make the two of them to be the same? It's just very simple. Now I'm going to convert this 5 over 3 to 3 over 5 by adding the negative sign on top. Let me explain why. Now if I have 2 over 3 and I want to convert this to 3 over 2, I'll just have 2 over 3, 1 divided by 2 over 3. If I do 1 divided by 2 over 3, I'm going to have 3 over 2 as the result. So now I'll have 1 divided by 2 over 3, which is 1 times 3 over 2. In mathematics, to convert from division sign to multiplication sign, just for you to swap it, then I'll have 3 over 2. So now for me to make 2 over 3 to be 3 over 2, it's just for me to do 1 divided by all these 3, which is the same thing as the fraction raised to the power of minus 1. So with this idea now, to convert 5 over 3 to 3 over 5, I'm just going to have 3 over 5 all raised to the power of 1 minus 2x all over 2 will now be equal to 3 over 5 all raised to the power of minus 3. So when I add a negative sign now, minus 1 times 3, I'll have minus 3. Now you can see the two of them are the same. Since they are the same, I'm just going to equate the index. Then I'm going to find the value of x from this. So now let's solve it and get the value of x. Very simple. So welcome back. Now let's continue solving. Now please, I'll just need to, what is this to call this? Cross multiply. Yeah, I'm going to cross multiply. Cross multiply. So now 1 times all this now, so I have the same thing as 1 minus 2x. Then 2 times this, I'll just have 6. So I'm going to move on here. Then I'll have minus 2x will be equal to 6 minus 1. Minus 2x will be equal to 5. Yeah, it's 5. So now I'll divide both sides by minus 2. This you cancel this, and then x will be equal to 5 over, okay, here will be minus 5 over 2, which is minus 2.5. So now finally x is just equal to minus 2.5. That's it. So I'm done with this piece. So the value of x here is just minus 2.5. So you can see the 5 is even easier. Yes, the 5 is easier. So now just stay tuned for the 6. I think the 6 may be harder or easier. I don't know. So in case, okay, I said I'm going to draw the video link. This is the video link. Just, is it shown? Yes, that's the video link. Don't disappear. Don't disappear. Normally they disappear fast. That's it. So stay tuned for the 6. Because I'm not telling me subscribe. Sorry, subscribe.